So what do you got going today, man?
Here we've got a 2023 Street Glide. We're going to be installing one of the Baja LP6 headlights in. Let's get right to it. When you open up your kit, you'll see the contents displayed here. We got our LP6 light, the bracket for it, and the harness that's going to be installed, and then the included hardware. First things first, we got to do a couple things to prep the bike. We do have to remove our seat, and we're going to take the gas tank off. We do have to run that wire harness in the wire caddy that is underneath. So let's go ahead and get all that stuff off. All right, now that we got the tank off, we got access to our wire caddy. We can now start with operations on the front of the bike, getting our windscreen off, getting the front fairing off, and then we'll get into that headlight. Now that we got our windshield and our fairing off, now we can start running that harness. We will run it from the front side first, run it into that wire caddy, and back to our battery. So we're gonna take our harness, we're gonna feed it into the right side of the bike. Right here you'll see a little stay for the wire to go into, kind of feed it in there nicely, get that back into the wire caddy, routed nicely back to the battery. In the kit is provided a battery positive lead that will go to the battery and then to the side of the fuse block that will plug into our harness that we just ran from the front. So we got some of our stuff set in the wire caddy. Up front here, we're just setting a place for the relays. We're gonna start getting some connections plugged in. This 4-wire connector with 3 wires going into it, that'll go into the harness from the bike. This will go into the LP6. And this one here is an accessory. All right, coming over to the fairing here. As you can see, this customer already does have an aftermarket light installed. We're gonna be taking that one out and getting it swapped over now. We do have to get the trim ring off, then we can pop this light out, get our new one assembled up in the bracket, get that in, and get it over to the bike. Next up, we're gonna get our headlight assembled into the bracket. Once we get it in the bracket, we'll then get it mounted into the fairing. Got the headlight and trim ring into the fairing. We can now take this over to the bike and get it installed. Sometimes what I like to do is kind of hold the fairing on the bottom side, give it support, and you can easily plug in the light. There it goes. We do already have our screws kind of prepped right here, so we can get them started. We'll get the rest of the fairing bolt started. We'll get our windshield up there, and the front of it will pretty much be wrapped up. Now that we got the front side kind of snugged up, we can come back here. Back to the battery side of things, we can get our harness assembled here. We have our lead coming out from the headlight and then our fuse block here. Simple enough, pay attention to orientation here. Just get them plugged in. Here the snap. Then we can get our fuse in there, get the cover on, give the light a test. All right, so we're going to turn the key now, make sure everything fires up as it should. Got our light coming on. We do have the amber backlight in there as well. Want to make sure our highs and lows come on, and they do, as they should. So we're rocking and rolling. Got the brightest light in the industry now installed on the bike. A couple of things to wrap up back here. Tank, get the seat back on, and we're rocking and rolling. So there it is, pretty simple install of the Baja LP6 here on this 2023 Street Glide. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to hit us up We're here to help you get the right parts for your ride.